Welcome to Eternal Easy Education. In this video, you are going to learn the practical program 1. So this is our practical program list. In the list, now you are going to learn calculate factorial and sum of series. Both the two programs together form the first Python program. So first program is calculate factorial. Write a program to calculate a factorial of given number using for loop. So this is the concept. So factorial value using for loop. Aim to calculate the factorial of the given number using for loop. Coding. Num equal to int input enter n. So what is this? Input enter a number is to get the value from the user. Int is a predefined function to convert the given number into integer, because all the things are in string format, so it is converted to integer. Now if num equal to 0, if the num value equal to 0, then fact equal to 1. That means the fact is a variable, user defined variable, and it is assigned with the value of 1, because any number to the power 0 is 1. Then again they are starting fact equal to 1. That means a variable is started with the initial value of 1. Then form the for loop. For I in range of 1, n plus 1. That means if the n, for example, if the n is 5, then I have to move from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Normally the for loop, the last value is treated as n minus 1. So if the num value is 5, means it will take the loop only up to 4. So we are making as num plus 1. Then only we can get the n value 5. Then fact equal to fact star I means first the value of fact is 1. So 1 into 1. First the value of I is 1. So 1 into 1. So final result is 1. Again the 1 is multiplied with the next number 2. 1 into 2, 2. Again it is multiplied with the third number 3. So 2 plus 3, 6. Again the 6 is multiplied with the number 4. Likewise it has to move from 1 to 5. Finally the factorial of the num is fact. So if for example they have given the number as 12, the factorial of 12 is given. So let's see the output in Python programming. So this is the Python window. In the Python window, we must be very careful about the indentation. So if num equal to 0, the fact equal to 1 should be within this if. That means within the if. This is if and this is for loop. And after the for loop only we are printing the factorial value. So run the module. Enter a number. I am giving 4. So factorial of 4 is 24. Again run the module. We'll give the number as 12 as per the book. So the factorial of 12 is given. So we must be careful about the indentation if, and there is a space here, and here no space. This fact and for loop. Again this line is coming under for loop, so there is a indentation. And print should not have indent. This is the first program. Second program is sum of series. Sum of series 1 by 1 plus here 1 to the power 1, here 2 to the power 2, here 3 to the power 3, and the same number is in the denominator. Likewise it has to go from n to the power n by n. So first getting the value of n, then keeping s equal to 0.0, making us float a floating point, because it's 1 by 1. So as there is a division, the number will be in floating. Then range 1 plus n. The for loop has to move from 1 to n. Next, a equal to float of a star star I. This is the power value. Am I right? I to the power I. So double star means to the power I by I. So 2 to the power 2 by 2. That is I to the power I by I. Then the division is added every time to the variable yes. And the final result is given. So this is your Python file. N equal to int of input, enter a value of n is equal to 0. So for loop, only you must be careful about the 2 lines. It should come under the indentation of for loop. So run 4. You can give another number 5. So you have learnt the 2 programs of the Python, A and the B, both together form the first practical program. Thank you. Have a good day.